Debunking the 5-second rule. Fact or fiction? We've all heard it before, the infamous 5-second rule. It claims that if food falls on the ground and you pick it up within 5 seconds, it's still safe to eat. But is there any truth to this widely held belief? The concept of the 5-second rule is based on the idea that bacteria and other pathogens take a few seconds to transfer from the ground to food. Proponents of this rule argue that if you retrieve the food quickly enough, it will remain relatively free from harmful contamination. However, several studies have challenged this notion. A study by high school graduate Gillian Clark was conducted in 2003 during her internship at the University of Illinois. She first examined floors in various locations, laboratories, dormitories, and cafeterias. No significant bacteria were found in samples examined under a microscope. Cultures were then applied to specially prepared surfaces, smooth and rough floor tiles. As a result, E. coli did not wait for the 5-second rule to apply before penetrating the cookie and sugar pieces placed on those surfaces. Thus, the 5-second rule was rejected by science. However, eating from dry floors remains safe in most cases. As part of the study, Clark also conducted a survey that showed that about 70% of women and 56% of men knew about this rule. Most of the respondents referred to this rule when making their daily decisions. And it turned out that this rule is more often applied to sweets than, for example, to broccoli. In 2004, the study was awarded the Ig Nobel Prize in Health. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for new content. Bye.